Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the Windows Media Player or locate the Windows Media Player or how to enable the Windows Media Player in Windows 10. So there is some special versions of Windows 10 where you cannot find the Windows Media Player or how to enable the Windows Media Player. So I'm going to show you how to enable it. So first you just have to go to control panel here. So search for control panel here. Control, so the message should be control panel here. After opening the control panel you have to go to the programs and features option. Here you can see programs and features option. So if your view is category, you have to choose large icons here first, then you can see the programs and features here. After opening the programs and features here, you can see there's a option called turn Windows features on or off, so we have to click on it. So now you just have to find a media player here. Media features, there's the option media features here. You can see there's an option called media features here. So there's a plus icon here, you just have to click on it, and now you can see there's an option called Windows Media Player. So if there's a not check mark here, you just have to check mark here. So if there is no mark here, you just have to check mark here and click OK. So after that you just have to restart your computer, then you can enable Windows Media Player here. So I already check mark here, so I'm going to show you how to enable Windows Media Player for group music or your video app. So first you just have to search for default apps here. Default. So if you search for default, there we can see search default apps here. So you have to open the default apps here. Default apps are here, so you can see there's group music here, so video player for pod player here. So for example, you want to change the media player, Windows Media Player for group music here, so you just to click here. Now you can see there's a Windows Media Player here. So you can change Windows Media Player for group music. So if you click that, it will take some time, and now your music player is Windows Media Player. So you can just restart your computer again and it will hopefully for good result here. So you don't have to save or anything, you just can close out of here. So that's it. This is a very straightforward tutorial for you guys. That's you find and enable the Windows Media Player here. So hope you find this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.